व्हाट्स अप, कैसे हैं आप?
हाय, आई एम वेरी गुड। आप कैसे हो?
जी मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ।
ओह माय गॉड, दिस इज द सेकंड टाइम यू मीटिंग अप, राइट?
यस
वो
यस,
ट्रेन जर्नी जो हम लोगों ने लिए थे साथ से,
दैट वाज टेरिफिक।
that was so fun, yeah, Faridun. I think it was one of the epic train travel that I've ever
No,
done.
no, absolutely, and very well managed. Most importantly, I think very well managed because it's
Yeah, no?
important. Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
And all the housey and everything that we played, Houseful for Rail, it was so fun.
no, it was a lot
Do you
of fun.
remember you
It
and
was a
I
lot of
won
fun.
together? आप जीते उसके बाद I think I
जी
won or
जी
something.
जी, आपके पास वाला you
But
came out,
Akshay
yeah.
Kumar didn't give me the prize. He was like, "Bet जाओ चुपचाप producer तो चलना ही मिलने वाला है."
Right, and you were playing it fairly as well. It was not as if that someone had given you any sort of chip or something. You were playing it fairly, but
चुपचाप कोने में एक गरीब इंसान खेल रहा था, but I didn't get the prize. How are you
all
doing,
right. So
Faridun?
I'm doing well. How are you doing?
Good. I'm strangely I am doing very good. Really.
Right. So what are you doing in the
Yeah.
quarantine?
You know, Faridun, I think it is. Actually, it's a weird thing to say, but strangely, I have a lot of time in hand now. And हर वो चीज जो मैं करना चाहती थी, like spending time with Sajid, because he's usually so busy making movies, or he spends most of his time at the office with children. अभी सब, I keep teasing him कि मैं इतनी शिद्दत से आपसे शादी करना चाहती थी. मैंने 8 साल मेहनत किए. अब आप पूरी तरह से फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे पंजे में हो, एंड आई हैव यू 24/7. So I'm making the most of it. Yeah, I'm just looking at the brighter side of things,
Right.
not really focusing on things that are not in my control, but just
Right.
focusing, over things which are in my control, like home deliveries का ध्यान रखना as much as possible. Halake, thank God, everybody in my house, they're all very positive because Sajid is a very positive person. He will always see the brighter side of things. कि नहीं अच्छा होगा, and he'll always send the best energies to the universe. सब अच्छा होगा. Words देखना ऐसे magically एक दिन, जैसे ये गंदगी आई है वैसी एक दिन फटाक से चली जाएगी, and we will not even know. So,
Right.
and we just so positively सब चल रहा है,
It's
मस्ती
wonderful
कर
to
रहे
know
हैं.
that because I'm talking to celebrities on a daily basis, and the level of uncertainty that people are having compared to the sort of positivity that you're having. That's a wonderful, I think, welcome scene as well. So you
But
spoke about
why?
that.
I really don't understand ये फरीदून. स्ट्रेस लेके फायदा क्या है? Even I want coffee. मुझे भी कॉफी चाहिए. फरीदून is having coffee. कॉफी लाओ कोई प्लीज. पर फायदा क्या है यार फरीदून? ऑनेस्टली आप मुझे बताइए, आपकी और मेरे स्ट्रेस लेने से कुछ होगा? हाय अरुण सर, आपकी और मेरे स्ट्रेस लेने से तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं. बट जो
Right.
हम कर सकते हैं वो ही करें ना. वाई कुछ
Absolutely.
कुछ दिन बाहर नहीं जाएंगे? व्हाट विल हैपन यार?
No, no,
And
absolutely,
also,
absolutely.
क्या what are you going to
And
gain by not? क्या क्या मांग रहे हैं लोग, हमारी सरकार और हमारे लोग हमसे कि आप भैया बस बैठो घर में.
you just
Just sit
relax.
at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Right.
and
You were saying
inshallah
that
it'll all be fine.
you're saying that you are having Sajid Bhai all to yourself. And
Yes.
interestingly, so I was reading today that apparently you were the one who proposed to Sajid Bhai.
Yes. Propose मतलब I have done plotting, planning, पूरी strategy के साथ मेहनत करके full force लगा के. Yes, for 8 years I chased him, yeah, Faridun. And now thank God he says कि चलो ठीक है, blind में मेरे 3 इक्के निकले, luckily. But yes, मुझे बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ी थी. Oof, finally I put out his mother and his sister, and I had to
Right.
give them 10 things कि मैं बहुत अच्छी बहू बनूंगी, आपका बहुत ध्यान रखूंगी, believe you me, ये वो. Yes, तो बहुत पापड़ बेले मैंने literally.
Right.
I was like
And
Shahrukh Khan from Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge यार. When his sister was getting married ना, तो
right.
मतलब किसी उनकी कोई खाला को मामी को जाके, वाह मामी आप कितनी अच्छी लग रही हैं, मामू यू द बेस्ट, उनकी नानी के सर में तेल लगाना. So she even told me one time, she said, अरे बेटा तू मेरे सर में इतना तेल क्यों लगा रही है, मेरी इतनी खिदमत क्यों कर रही है, मेरा तो कोई बेटा ही नहीं है, all my sons are married. And I'm like, बेटे के आगे भी तो सोचो, आपके ग्रैंडसन भी तो है। उसके दिन से नानी ने मुझसे बात करना छोड़ दिया था, बाय द वे।
All right. So I've known Sajid Bhai, I think, for almost 12 years now, and he's someone who's extremely. He's always been very happy with
Yeah,
you around.
yeah.
He's very happy with the fact that you're taking care of his social media, and he doesn't have to be on social media, and his entire presence is there, and you are the one who's answering all the questions on which when is Kick 2 coming and when is Kick promo of Kick is coming. So you're the one who's handling everything on his behalf.
Yeah.
So he's very
पूरे
happy with that.
मजे लूटती हूँ मैं, not on his behalf. I am like enjoying his popularity on social media fully. Yes,
Right.
sorry, so you were asking me.
Right. So my question to you is that I think you are someone who's very extrovert, and he's someone who tends to be very introverted. It's like in the last 12 years I've managed to get him down for an interview very few times, and I'm lucky that I think one of the very few journalists whom he has talked to. Otherwise, he
Yeah.
doesn't talk to people in the
No.
first place. So, and you are like an extrovert, which is a complete contrast. Do you think that opposites in a way attract the fact that you guys are different persons? That helps in a way.
Okay, first of all, I would like to say वो journalist लोग से इसलिए दूर रहते हैं because he's married to one. वो घबरा गया है। वो घबरा गया है। But extrovert तो yeah, he is slightly camera shy है. But he takes time. But if you, Faridoon, if you will see him the side that he see or his best friend see, he's a different person, yeah. So he is not an introvert at all. He's very musty-core. He's like a chota baby. But when he's in his den, something happens to him. Even when I go to his office and then I'm sitting opposite, him on the chair, I'm like, hi. I'm like, ooh, so एक aura ही उनका change हो जाता है when he's on the sets or when he's behind his desk. But he's, yeah, to some extent, he's little camera shy and yeah, little bit introvert, I'd say, because he's always thinking.
Ji. Okay, and have you at any point of time maybe thought of acting in the movies?
नहीं यार, never.
Because you have so many expressions and you seem like an actor.
Yeah, I am little animated that way, yes, but
Right.
yeah, never ever. I was just dying to be a journalist when I was in school.
Right.
It was a big deal. It is a big deal to be a journalist, yeah. And I'd say thanks to my profession that I found my husband. But to be very honest, I really wanted to do nothing in life. So absolutely nothing in life. So when I was in 5th grade, and in one of those moral science class, when the brothers and those sisters ask you, what do you want to be when you grow up? And my straight answer would be, and I still remember how much the whole class laughed at me. I was like, I just want to get married.
Which is I think quite good. And then having such wonderful kids as well.
I swear to God, it was so funny, Actually, पहले जब बोलते थे बड़ों के सामने कि मुझे शादी करनी है, तो one थप्पड़ would come, sadat. So, like शादी करनी है, छोटा बच्चा बोल रहा है, it's not a really nice thing to say, right? And so, yeah, I always wanted to get married, and thank God I found the best man.
You look at the transformation of NGE and Sajid Bhai, both as a producer as well as a creative person, because he has been part of 90s cinema. He has been part of movies like Judwa and Jeet, and after that the way that the transformation has been, and there have been so many all sorts of films have been there. Houseful, for example, it came in. Janiman came in, and then he changed graph. He just changed in many ways in terms of the sort of movies that he wanted to be a part of. The collaborations started taking place, and there was emphasis on someone like Imtiaz Ali, for example, Kabir Khan, and those things. There was a shift. So how do you look at the transformation and the journey of NGE and Sajid Nariwala? Because it is not easy to stay relevant over a span of 3 decades and to be with the time. It is not easy.
Absolutely, yeah, Faridoon. Yes, he started, luckily, making movies. The business of movie making is in his blood. So he's blessed, I'd say. And he started pretty early. But the transition, yeah, that's very interesting. Sajid is someone who, he, uh, watches the world cinema. He's got his eyes, he's got his ears in the ground. He knows exactly what's happening, what people are liking. Like, see, most of his movies, when you go to the cinema and watch, to be very honest with you, Faridoon, जब हम ट्रायल रिव्यू देखते हैं या जब हम एडिट पे कभी कभी कुमची वाली में he will take me and I am watching it, he actually tells me words, ये scene तुम theater में देखना, people will go mad. And I swear to God, those are the very shots of those are the very scenes where people go mad and they whistle. So somehow he knows the pulse of the audience. चुपके से he goes and he keeps, पता भी नहीं चलता है किसी को, that he will go and see what people are really reacting to. He's not one of those who will sell people what he wants to. He will sell them what they want. So I think he's totally the consumer's person. Like they say, the director's delight or the producer's delight. I think he's the audience's delight. He gives people what they want to watch, but he packages it the way he wants to give. I hope I made sense. So what they want,
it makes perfect sense. Yeah.
what they want, so he's totally the consumer's producer. Totally, he will give them what they want, but exactly package it the way he feels would be nice. His main line is words. अगर ना वो 2.5 घंटे या 2 घंटे जो लोग थिएटर में बैठे हुए हैं, अगर वो मैंने उनको उनकी लाइफ भुला नहीं दिया 2-2.5 घंटे, अगर वो भूल नहीं गए अपने स्ट्रेस, तो फिर फायदा नहीं है.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense.
मुझे उनको हटाना है वहां से. I want to make them laugh. I want them to take to another world, एक दूसरी दुनिया. Give them hopes, give them dreams. Like most of his movies you see they are very positive.
Right.
In the end you will see that it's victory, it is happiness, there's light at the end of the tunnel. It's a very positive person that way. So and yeah, his transition, he keeps in loop. He is in loop. He knows the trends. He's watching everything. He is, for him, education ऐसे नहीं कि खत्म हो गई. Every day he educates himself. Be it the business of movie making, be it the creativity, be it life, everything. He's every day educating himself. He keeps in touch with both the sons, Subhan and Sufyan. He'll say, Sufyan, drop batao aaj mujhe kaise drops aa rahe hain. And then Sufyan will go, oh dad, I'll give you 10 drops today, And then he'll keep in touch with Subhan and he'll say, bata beta YouTubers kya ho raha hai. So he's got his ears in the ground. He's got his eyes on the trend. So Subhan से he will keep in trend. But अच्छा ये YouTuber चल रहा है. अच्छा वो क्या कर रहा है? मतलब ये लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं. So that's how with Subhan, Sufyan, with my sister-in-law's children, Afia Zan and all. So he'll keep in touch with them. My brothers and sisters, his mamu's children. So he is very like they say mashwara. So वो पूछते रहते. He'll always keep asking and he'll keep himself educated with the trends. And that's how then he incorporates that in his movies.
Bilkul. Okay, now there was, I think, a very unprecedented move as far as you guys undertook recently, and that at a time when this entire pandemic has struck, people are having all sorts of distress, and you guys actually announced bonuses for your team.
Yeah.
Which was, I think, which was wonderful for a lot of people because this is something that is very unheard of.
Sajid, actually, he's a very sensitive and a very emotional guy. He's a very emotional person. He feels for his people, and for him, NGE and the people who he works with, they are not his employees. They are his family. So इसीलिए every post, every tweet that you will see Faridoon on our Instagram and Insta is NGE family. So these are his family members. So, you know, at a time like this, he said कि suddenly बात जैसा हुआ है ना, सबको घर में बैठना पड़ रहा है, they will all be so depressed. एक suddenly ना एक shock लगता है. तो strangely कुछ छोटी खुशी अगर if money can buy थोड़ी बहुत happiness, why not? And he always says words अगर लोगों को पता चल जाए कि देने में कितनी खुशी होती है, लोग लेना छोड़ देंगे because he feels very happy. He thought कि this was his little way of just making them feel uh, baby, it's going to be all right. Your big brother is behind, you know, I'm there types. So
That's
yeah,
great. That's great.
that was his way. And
Okay.
then he made everybody. He wanted everybody also to contribute to the PM and CM fund. And so, but then so I was like, ठीक है करेंगे वो लोग, इसलिए, but वो क्यों करें? I want them to do it. So then he gave them that because he wanted them also to feel responsible towards the country, towards the people, towards our people. So yeah, that was the
All
way
right. Okay. And so your movie Bali 3 was running in theaters. It started off on a bang. Maybe it did not complete its full run because of. I was speaking with
Yeah.
Tiger, and Tiger felt that the way the situation became more important. But there are people who feel that maybe once everything settles down, maybe it should be released in theaters. Do you think that is a possibility?
Faridun, actually, मैं एक बात बताऊं, I mean, at a time like this, जब suddenly pandemic declare किया गया, and हम लोग चुपचाप चल रही थी बागी, but we still almost got close to 100 CR. Like I said, Sajid and I are people who see आधा glass भरा हुआ है. So can you believe to be reaching 100 crores at a time like that is a victory in itself, yeah. It's a big thing कि कितनी अच्छी लगी लोगों को ये पिक्चर कि वो गए, you know. And we had Sajid we stopped tweeting about go to the theaters closest to you, go to the theaters near your the thing. He said words, yeah, ये नसीब की बात होती है, इधर लिखा है ना तो कैसे भी आएगा, it will come. But right now, just stop all the posts. Those are going on our handles. Don't tell people to go out and watch it. वो जाएंगे, देखेंगे, पसंद आएगी, तो वो खुद जाएंगे. And just see the collection. I think this I would say, or you know, because Sajid always said safety first. What's safety first? But just see the numbers. I think this is a huge victory. ये तो हमको mentally हमारे दिलों में celebrate करना चाहिए कि what a film. ऐसे वक्त, because see ऐसे वक्त पे to get this number is not easy. Yeah.
You guys are a very prolific production house. You're having a lot of film on right now as well. But how do you look at the future from here on? Obviously, it is a very uncertain time. People are talking about OTT platforms that quite a bit of content will be coming in for OTT platforms now. Quite a few maybe movies will be directly releasing on OTT platforms as well. With your experience, considering that you've been part of NG family and been part of the promotions for a very long time, how do you look at the future of movies and entertainment from here on?
To be very honest with you, yaar, I'm a little nalla in all these things. I don't understand these stuff so well. But मेरे छोटे से दिमाग में, I feel that you know, theaters will open up once and it is all going to settle down very fast. Theaters will open up because we are very resilient, yeah. Indians ना हम लोग बहुत मजबूत और बहुत तगड़े लोग हैं. Not just you know, mentally, physically, we are all strong people and we forget things very fast. And I'm sure this virus is going to go out very soon. Yes, initially couple of months people will get scared to go out there because cinema halls में कुर्सियाँ very नजदीक होती है, so they may. But you know, I think the theater owners will also take good calls and they'll probably, you know, remove couple of seats from between or seat numbers. ये करेंगे.
Yeah.
I think
Those are-
yeah, they should, right? They will do
Yeah.
certain
They,
things
they
to
are
pull
planning.
in.
They are planning. They're planning.
See, so I'm not all that dumb then. So, so yes, I think they will do all that, and they will. I think once, of course, after they've made sure that it is safe enough to open,
Right.
then I think they will take certain precautions, and they'll be very careful about the sanitization. Would be at, they would be sanitizing the place well and making sure that everybody who steps in here in the theaters would be safe enough. तो theaters तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई डरने वाली बात है. Like जैसे सबको धक्का लग रहा है वैसे theaters को भी धक्का लगेगा. तो कोई बात नहीं यार, हम लोग उठ के कर लेंगे. It is all right. Couple of months here and there, God forbid, even अगर 1 साल लगा, God forbid, तो जान है ना.
बिल्कुल सही बात. बिल्कुल सही
So
बात.
it will pick
Okay,
up.
but
It will pick up.
right. So I'm sure you're a consumer
Sorry,
of.
it used to always be like roti, kapda, makan, zarurat ke liye. I would say it is now roti, kapda, and theater.
Roti kapda.
Theaters. Cinema
Theaters.
halls. Roti, kapda, and cinema halls बहुत जरूरी है. Because see, mentally, now we're all very, we think a lot, we get into depressions and anxieties. So movies are the, cinema halls are the place where you go and you just live it up for like 2-2.5 घंटा. You forget. So yeah, cinema halls तो
Right.
पे नहीं जा रहे बॉस.
Okay.
फिल्में तो बनेंगी, बड़ी बनेंगी. अब तो और बड़ी बनेंगी.
Okay, but OTT platform, is that something? Does that fascinate you guys? Do you think that
Sorry,
you
तुम
guys
लोग
can?
breaking यार. I didn't get you.
I'm
I'm
saying,
sorry.
I'm saying that OTT platforms, does that
Oh,
excite you?
I'm
Do you
sorry,
think-
Tejan, you're saying love you 3000. I love you too. Woo! Sorry, Faridun. That's someone I
Right,
really
so I'm
love.
saying, no problem. So I'm saying that OTT platform, does that excite you? Do you think that you guys would want to make content for OTT platforms?
Yeah, that's the future of entertainment also. Yes, NG कुछ नहीं छोड़ेगा. NG हर जगह छाएगा. NGE, NGD, NGF, NGE से लेके हम NGZ तक जाएंगे. कुछ नहीं छोड़ेंगे. हर department, हर platform of filmmaking and entertainment, Sajid Nadiadwala is going to enter in all the forums and make sure that he entertains people.
Great.
हर
Okay.
कोई.
Okay, so let's take a few comments. This is not Suraj Chinchankar. Ma'am, you are so energetic.
Woo!
Okay, and Pratyush is asking Bachchan Pandey and Houseful 5 के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Bachchan Pandey, oh my god. Matlab, because Sajid has these boards. Faridun, you've been to his office, so you've seen all these bade boards lage hue rehte hain, where his one-liner script ka laga rehta hai, and he keeps seeing and thinking. So, yeah, that's how I come to know ki kya ho raha hai. It is shaped up so well. The script is fantastic. It is shaped up really, really, really well. मैं इतनी excited कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि जल्दी ये picture बनती तभी. I want to watch it, and it is shaped up really well. With Akshay is going to be so different in this film now, like never seen before, and totally
Yeah, that's-
entertaining.
That's
Akshay,
what Kriti told me.
Huh?
Kriti Saran told me that Akshay Kumar has been presented.
Kriti,
Like
my
no.
Kriti, she's going to be in a very different avatar as well. So, it's going to be very, very interesting. House down, मतलब पागलपंती होने वाली है. People will watch it. I guarantee 3 से 4 बार तो लोग देखेंगे minimum. It is that good. It is so good. Like never seen before.
That's great. Okay, being Tejan is saying you should definitely be part of a comedy film someday. Faridun is right. You've got so many expressions.
Okay, that's someone I was saying hi to, being Tejan. He's a very,
Okay.
very, very sweet Insta pal and Twitter pal. Beach mein I got very angry with him and I said, hey, go! I don't like you. Kattus marungi andar ghus ke and all that. He's very sweet. I love him. I take that liberty with him because over the period of time, that we've interacted over Twitter, pasina aa raha hai na mujhe bhi. I don't know why.
Nice.
So over the period of time, I've interacted so much with him that I feel like I really know him. So okay, so many expressions I have. You know, you are finding this cute now, but if you have to live with these expression and this madness 24/7, it's not easy to handle. As Sajid, ask my son
No,
Subhan.
but
Oh my
no.
god.
Basically, what he's trying to say, and what I was trying to say is that I think you can be wonderful on screen. That's what we're trying to say.
Woo! Please tell Sajid that now.
Okay, so B Bajaj is saying Houseful 5 ka aayegi ma'am.
Who has being?
Being Bajaj. B Bajaj.
Being Bajaj, Houseful 5. Houseful 5 तो अभी पता नहीं. But कभी ईद कभी दिवाली मतलब ये I was so excited about बच्चन पांडे and कभी ईद कभी दिवाली ये दो फिल्में के बारे में I was like really hot. So फिर वो आई फिर आहान पांडे की आ रही आहान सॉरी मेरा आहान शेट्टी Sajid does not say him. Oh my god, even that movie, the way it's shaped up, Million Luthria.
Okay.
So
Alright,
I guess
so
अभी फरहाद के पास इतना टाइम है to write बच्चन पांडे and कभी दिवाली, considering he's writing both the movies and going to be directing both the movies.
Right.
Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing.
But
Both the
what
scripts are really shaping up well.
people keep on asking, people keep on inquiring about Kick 2 as well. That when
Yeah.
is Sajid Bhai directing Kick 2?
You know, Sajid का क्या हो गया है? Actually, he is when he was writing Kick, so half the time वो पढ़ के खुद रोते थे. And yeah, he's a big rotudu. Like even with the Chichore देखने के time, even though script पे थे, direct sets पे ये वो, he was crying while he was watching it, sitting right next to Nitesh Tiwari, and he's turning his face and wiping out his tears. So he feels till the time a story touches my heart. He wants to take Kick 2 on another level. So yeah, but yes, now the work is in progress. He's writing Kick 2. Kick 2 है चालू है काम भाइयों बहनों का चालू है. आपसे ज़्यादा मैं साजिद के पीछे पड़ी हुई हूँ because I love that character Devi Lal.
Yeah.
He is that character. Yes, very soon he's writing it. You all should pray now that his brains, his creativity कुछ अच्छा है, something should touch his heart, people, and then फिर जल्दी Kick 2 जल्दी आएगी. And I really think अभी जो चालू है ना, so it's all making Sajid very sensitive and emotional. Kick 2 बहुत ही जल्दी आ सकती है. Just last
that's
minute
great.
order.
Hey,
Something about Divya Bharti. I know people keep throwing these questions sometimes उनको लगता है कि मैं troll हो रही हूँ ये वो. Divya is still very much part of our life, our family, her dad, her brother Kunal. Like they are our family. They are part of each celebration. So अगर आप लोग जब मुझे ट्रोल करते हैं तो प्लीज सोचो कि मैं ट्रोल नहीं हो रही हूँ. वी लव हर एनिवर्सरी उसकी हर बर्थडे पे हम लोग एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं. माय चिल्ड्रन व्हेन दे वॉच द मूवी दे कॉल हर बड़ी मम्मी. सो guys, she is still a very 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 beautiful part of her life. And Sajid is so close. Sajid is like a son to dad. After mama passed away, Sajid and वो बहुत close है. You can't even imagine how close dad and Sajid are, and Kunal and Sajid, like they talk like just like brothers would. And I have not tried to replace her ever. I've made my own place, and yeah, the beautiful memories are always beautiful. So stop trolling me. She's a part of my life, and we enjoy it. So yeah, Faridun, sometimes people say Divya Bharti बहुत अच्छी थी. Of course बहुत अच्छी थी. Yeah, we love her. So they feel she's very much part of her life. Sorry, I took that question straight. I just saw तो मैं थोड़ा मुझे लगा कि ये मौके पे चला मार.
I've been skipping it because love your TikTok, Vardha ma'am.
Yay!
A lot of people they're asking about your TikTok. Your stingy with TikTok. You enjoy TikTok?
I love TikTok, yeah, Faridun. And every time I hear news पे ना कि TikTok ban होने वाला है, तो मुझे लगता है नहीं. I skip a heartbeat, when I hear that, because I think just last time I was telling someone when I was doing this interview, because I am total filmy. मेरे दिमाग में like कुछ भी होता है, like if I'm sad, I'm happy. There's music running in my head all the time. Like all the time, there's some music running in my head. So I think TikTok is the best way for me to express myself. I don't know if you've seen any of my TikToks recently. So Sajid, जो मेरी words, but easy. Don't get too carried away. So sometimes he's my censor board. So then I will go say, please can I upload this? Please can I upload this? So then I can. So he said, keep it around. If you want to, give out a message, if you want to give some information, yeah, then it's good enough. So मेरा भी मजा चालू है and I'm giving out information to people like we did दूध कैसे लेना आपको with like छुओ नहीं जरा पीछे रखो हाथ we did that and we did सब्जियां कैसे लेनी है and rumors नहीं फैलाना है so yeah
absolutely okay so Khatri is
did you see
saying
my
that
Wonder Woman wala did you see my Wonder Woman wala
I'll see it immediately after this one.
But you're not my ghost. So
No, I'll do that. I'll see it for sure. Okay,
no,
Khatri 786.
Sufyan was giving me grief. He said, Mama, you're always doing some regular stuff. You know, now the world is like I said, जो साजिद को लोग ज्ञान देते हैं, I said, so Sufyan said, Mama, कुछ special effect करो, कुछ special effect करो. So then we did this कि normal आदमी आ रहे हैं and dhong से बिजली आ गई and then she's become a Wonder Woman. So then basically I wanted to tell people, which when I spoke with people, when I gave out a little message, I wanted to say कि we are all superheroes now. हर इंसान को इस वक्त यही सोचना है कि भैया मैं सुपर हीरो ही हूँ और मेरा सुपर पावर ये कि मैं घर बैठूंगा घर बैठूंगी और I'll be saving lives because actually घर बैठ के हम we are saving.
That's wonderful. Alright, Khatri 786 saying, "Ma'am, I'm your biggest fan."
Big award.
Someone is saying about Poonam 4019 is saying about Judwa. So can there be Judwa part 3?
Of course there'll be Judwa part 3. It is yeah. That's also in pipeline. That could also be coming up very soon. Hi Tagir and Zuberia.
So let's talk about Judwa.
Say hi to her.
Okay, so Judwa part 3, it is the talks are on for that, right?
Yeah.
I did it.
It's one of our
with Varun? With Varun?
Vidhi, yeah, वो भी हो सकता है.
Okay, interesting.
इस वक्त मुझे क्यों लग रहा है कि मैं एनजी की खबरी हूँ और आप खबरी से सब वो गलवा रहे हो.
All right. No, I think it's the people who have these questions. Paddy is asking about Kabhi Eid, Kabhi Diwali. You already spoken about that.
Yeah.
Faizu is saying total Pati Vrata is my baji. Pati Vrata is my baji.
Pati Vrata, I am.
Yeah.
I'm oh God, big time. You have no idea. I am big time. Pati ki chamchi.
Rathor is saying Rathor Vijay Singh is saying, "Ma'am, नया वीडियो कब आ रहा है TikTok पर?"
Yay, Rathor! Because see, okay, these names, okay, they are so sweet. They'll always make Mohammed Wasil. नया TikTok आज मेरा आखिरी TikTok होने वाला है. फिर मैं 1 महीने की ब्रेक पे चली जाऊंगी. And then yes, I will. So today is my last TikTok.
But why is that? Why will you take such a long break?
I take this yearly detox once a month.
So, okay.
Once a month, yeah, पूरे साल में एक बारी I just take complete away from social media.
All right. Being Tejan is asking, which was your best memory during kick shoot?
Oh my God, kick के time पे तो there are so many memories we've made, yeah, so many. Because we were at ND Studio and we were all jammed up there in Poland. We used to play games. We used to play कितनी सारी है यार. Many fond memories. But but 2-3 एक शॉकिंग वाली ऐसी थी कि एक बार सुभान मतलब अपनी चाचू की बाइक चलाता था. That being human, he was very little and he got hurt. He had this bit थोड़ा accident. He got hurt and तो उसको फटाफट हम लोग ने ये किया and उसके 1 घंटे के बाद his चाचू comes up and says, चल सुभान बाइक लेके वापस जा. Please मेरे बेटे का अभी ये हुआ है, please don't send him back again. He said, no, let him go. Otherwise इसके दिमाग में fear बैठ जाएगा और ये कभी भी बाइक नहीं चलाएगा. So remove the fear. So that, and then Poland में when Sajid had this weird back pain आ गया था कहीं से.
Yes.
I'm laughing now, but उस वक्त it was very bad to see, you know, him directing ऐसे late alert के direction करना. Yeah, that was very weird. So that was also sweet memories. But we've had too much fun here kick के time पे भी.
Right.
Loads
Okay,
of fun.
let's take a couple of more. Being Tejan is saying Ramzan Mubarak in advance, Varda Di.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Teju. He knows me so well.
Right, and let's take one or two more. Ma'am, you like poetry. So Amit Taneja is asking, do you like poetry?
Do you like, sorry, Vaidun?
Poetry.
Poetry. English poetries or शेर व शायरी?
Anything.
Yes, I do. Don't ask me which one's my favorite because मुझे भी कुछ याद नहीं आएगा. Now I'm totally focused on what Faridun is going to ask me next. But yeah, शेर व शायरी का तो मुझे शेर व शायरी का भी मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. I'm sure it doesn't look like this person is deep or profound, but yes, this person is pretty profound. She enjoys poetries and शेर व शायरी.
I'm sure. Okay, so we'll take this one last comment. This has been coming in for quite some time now. Team Varda Nandiyarwala is asking, love that picture behind you, ma'am. So is that Sajid bhai?
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
that's from Hey Baby, Australia, baby. So yeah, I was taken at Sydney Harbour. Thank you so much. That's Sajid and Subhan. Next time I'll make
Right.
sure I put a big picture of me also.
Because a lot of people they've been asking about this. That is that Sajid Nandiyarwala in the backdrop? Is that Sajid Nandiyarwala in the backdrop?
Yes, that's Sajid and
Right.
that's Subhan Nadiadwala. Little Subhan Nadiadwala. That was when they were filming Hey Baby at Sydney Harbour.
Right. Okay, let's take the last comment. Pathan Aisha
No, I
is
don't want
saying
to go.
hello to
I'm
you.
not going, Faridun. I'm having too
Okay.
much fun. My last question. Sorry.
Pathan Aisha is saying hello, dear. You rock, Bobby. So that's what she's saying.
Bajaj, you? Sorry.
So it's saying that you rock.
Woo! Thank you. I also want to ask you why do you like me? ताकि मैं वो ज़्यादा करूँ. Why do I rock? Please tell me.
Someone is asking, which is your favorite Salman Khan film?
Of course, Kick. But
Apart from Kick, which is
very difficult to say, yeah. But I think Judwa because I love Judwa because suddenly that transition we saw Salman from playing Prems to Raja was good fun.
comedy.
Comedy,
Right.
yeah. As you can see, I love comedy, yeah.
Tasha Hayat is saying you are really cute, mashallah.
Thank you, Tasha. Yes, we exchanged a lot of comments on Instagram. It is so beautiful, right? Social media, like all these names, Teju, Hi, Pallavi, when is Subhan being launched? Okay, I'll get to that. So, it is so beautiful. Yeah, I love this digital age where we know each other so well, even though we don't meet, we just know each other. Like when you will say Tasha, I'm like, yeah, I know Tasha. Teju, I know Teju. Bhushan Khiladi, yeah, I know Bhushan Khiladi. Yeah, Wasim Akram Khan, he's a chaka. But yes, I love him also. So it's so much fun, that you have this family of people who you've never met, but you just know. It is so fun. Love it.
Bindu Singh is sending love.
Bindu Dara Singh, hey,
Yes.
love you, bro. Lots of love right back at you.
Instagrammer 567 is saying Varda salam from New Zealand.
Woo! Walaikum assalam. What time is it? New Zealand में? यार मुझे कितने बुरी तरह से न्यूजीलैंड जाना था when we were in Australia, yeah. But never mind. As soon as this virus, I have this great feeling, यार फरीदून. 1-2 महीने में ना होने वाला है इस वायरस का. We would have taken
Okay,
out.
MK Goel 143 is saying love you, Varda. I'm a big fan of you.
Love you too, Goyal. Fan of me. Oh my god, it sounds so cool. Love you too. But मुझे सचिन से पूछना है, why do they love me? ताकि मैं वो चीज और करूं.
Raina P is saying, loved you in the Bala challenge.
Oh my god, that was so fun. You know, I just wanted to do because I enjoy doing TikTok and we did that Bala. Oh Bala. And I think that, yeah, oh my god, Akshay totally rocked that song. That was so fun. Yeah, but thank you so much. Yeah, after that, ना मेरे TikTok बहुत appreciate होने लगे. That was the first one जो got so much love from people. So I guess because I keep doing it with my house staff.
Right.
So Sajid calls it the Kitchen Theatre Company. We are the KFC. हम लोग भी
Okay,
Amazon
Tahir.
पे वीडियोस बेचेंगे very soon. Like I said,
Right.
नडियाड वाला कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं छोड़ने वाले. हम हर जगह घुस के एंटरटेन करेंगे.
Okay, Tahir is asking, which is your favorite Sajid sir film? Which is your favorite film of Sajid Nairwala as a producer?
I love हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा.
Aditya Pyar Karega.
I like then Jarman also. मुझसे शादी करोगी भी also because that was the first movie after दिल जो प्यार करेगा because वो टाइम पे मेरा प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग चालू थी and मैं बहुत प्लान कर रही थी कि कैसे शादी कर लूँ कैसे बनाऊँ साजिद को and उस वक्त जाके his mom we plotted and हमने उनको कॉर्नर करके किया था so we kind of got engaged so we said okay I will marry her वैसे and मुझसे शादी करोगी because that time we got married so I mean उसके 2 साल that was my first movie after शादी but it was a beautiful film right मुझसे शादी करोगी
It was very entertaining.
it was so
It was
entertaining
very entertaining. Yeah, it was very entertaining. Yogesh Fitness saying you are super fit.
thank
Tell
you
us something about
so
your fitness.
much thank you so much
You also
यार
support.
मैं दिख रही हूँ
You
फिर दिख
also
रही हूँ
support. Right. You also support defense as well. So tell us. I think season 3 is starting.
So my fitness regime, I'm a total fitness junkie. जो again thanks to Sajid because शादी के बाद मैंने said अच्छा ठीक है I will marry your mama, but I asked her to get fit. And he said I will marry you if you know bring your weight down to 55 or whatever, and if you look fit. So उसके बाद से जो fitness मेरे दिमाग में घुसी है, तो आज तक मैं उसी में घुसी हुई हूँ. So thanks to Sajid for that. I love kickboxing. That's my favorite. But I get bored of stuff very soon. I'm a very restless person by nature. That अभी मेरे पास टाइम आया है तो मैं वो कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि थोड़ा सुकून, you know, थोड़ा my mind is always racing with the air, you know, the zoom zoom air and my mind is always racing. So अब मैं पूरा कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि I should calm down. My fitness regime right now at home is P90X. I'm following P90X. It's a beautiful fitness program from yoga to strengthening to stretching to abs, everything. But but otherwise I do kickboxing and recently I joined gymnastics. I keep trying new stuff because and then am I coming out with this guy that I train with, everyone's from the predominate guys. Yeah, we started fitness because यार फरीदून कितना weird हो रहा था यार औरतें, you know, I really wanted women to be fit. It is very easier said than done, but it is actually very easy to protect your own self. Very easy. You don't need to be powerful or strong. तो है ही होना ही चाहिए. But you know, with little tricks, you can actually protect yourself. So when I was learning it, I was doing it. I thought I may as well, you know, मैं सीख रही हूँ तो I may as well teach also. So that was the whole idea of starting these self-defense series. And when a woman is teaching it, it becomes, you know, then तो औरतें जल्दी सुनती है, okay, because she's saying it. एक लड़की बोल रही है तो लड़की, you know, she would probably know because I would know. A woman would know better कि self-defense कैसे एक लड़की अपना कर सकती है. So yeah, we'll be coming out very soon. The plan was to start now. Yeah, I'm missing my boxing so bad, and the gymnastics.
Okay. Krish Chaudhary saying when Tiger and Disha together in your next.
Baggy?
Baggy 4?
Yeah. Yes. Point noted.
And what about Hero Banti 2? Someone is asking. Tigress Jwaria Khan is saying Hero Banti 2. What is the latest on Hero Banti 2?
Oh yes, that is also going to be kick A. Totally kick A. My God, my husband कितनी scripts तैयार करके रखे. I just realized, यार. Yeah, कि Hirupati 2 is also there's a very interesting idea. तो अभी the germs are laid and work अभी शुरू होगा, but the main line is super interesting. It's going to be fun.
All right,
She's a huge
Pratyush
Tiger fan. Sorry.
Pratyush is saying Houseful 4 is the biggest Hindi film success on television. Your
Woo.
reaction, Varda ma'am?
Yeah. My reaction is yay! Jinjika jinjing, jinjika jinjing. That is my reaction. I was so happy because you see, top 10 में top 5 was NGE. So there was Houseful 4, there was Bagi, there was Judwa. Subhan, which one? One more? I can't recall. So I was so happy. Houseful was so happy. But Houseful, what a beautiful film, no?
Yeah,
You know,
Indian.
imagine, yeah, इसमें भी मुझे इतना मजा आया because again with Akshay also it is so much fun. He's forever playing games and Kriti and Pooja. We've had so much fun filming here. I do go
Right.
on set sometimes to have fun, but yeah, very happy because it's a very, very, very beautiful film. Punarjanam.
Ashraf Khan is saying, ma'am, would you like to play any character in Sajid sir's movie?
Whoa! Sajid sir would never, if I'll tell him ki, Faridun, you tell him now. Faridun, you
Okay.
tell him that.
No, I will message him right away. Aarti. Immediately after this interview, I'm messaging him.
Message
Okay,
him
Priyanka.
right away. और मैंने नहीं बोला ये बात आपको.
नहीं,
Call me. Please tell him.
Priyanka Shetty is
But
saying,
you
give
know,
us
if I
some.
ever want to play, if I ever get a, if ऐसे कभी मतलब hypothetically दिमाग में सोचने में क्या जाता है, तो I would love to play a superhero, yeah, like jumping blocks and then fighting
Wonder Woman.
villains, saving the world.
Wonder-
Wonder Woman.
Right.
Yeah. In my mind, in my head, I am Wonder Woman, by the way.
Yeah. And you resemble Cole as well. That I think you resemble him.
OMG, I'm flattered, मैं तो गई. Oh, जाओ ये देखो ये भी गया. But
All right.
seriously,
So,
say swear.
no, seriously, definitely. There's no other. I think other people can testify that as well. So Priyanka Shetty is saying, give us some workout tips to do at home.
Priyanka Shetty, see, I would say वर्कआउट टिप्स तो मैं वीडियो देखो ना मेरे, बट जो टिकटॉक्स पे मैंने कुछ डाले हैं, बट वर्कआउट टिप्स ही द बेस्ट वुड बी रात को अवॉइड कार्ब्स, दिन में यू कैन स्टिल डू कार्ब्स, एंड इफ नथिंग एट ऑल प्लीज डोंट टेक लिफ्ट्स बिल्डिंग का, स्टेप्स चढ़ो, स्टेप्स उतरो, स्पॉट वॉकिंग, spot jogging, and just do your household work na, like jharu maring, katka maring. See, katka maring is if you sit down and do it, you know that duck walk, तो वो हो जाता है.
It's amazing. मैं पोछा लगा रहा हूँ घर में. I think it's amazing. And हमारा terrace पे
Bobby
उसको
is
भी.
learning that.
No, वो monitor कराती हैं. कि मॉनिटर की कोई मैंने कुछ छोड़ तो नहीं दिया. मैंने कुछ एरिया छोड़ तो नहीं दिया, तो she stands on my head. So, but I think it is amazing. I think it's amazing for abdomen. It's amazing for arms. It's complete. Legs.
It is
I think it's a
so
complete
good.
exercise. Correct. It's a
All
complete
your boys are
exercise.
doing it, yeah. Even Farhad was telling me yesterday. So Farhad and I was chatting for something that we are planning to, and Farhad said, "Bhabhi, अभी तो मैं expert हो गया हूँ झाड़ू मारने में, कटके मारने में, ऐसे जुफरो अभी मारेगी तुम्हारे सर पे." If she hears it, he said, "No, I swear." And the boys are actually doing it. I think it is so fun, yeah. Why not?
नहीं, बर्तन धोना क्या एक आर्ट फॉर्म होता है, वो भी डेली दिन में 3 चार्जर को. So I cannot sleep if the kitchen is not like trim and proper.
Is Bobby around? I really want to hear it from her. Can I see her?
No, but she cooks amazingly well. So we have divided the task.
अब आपने
and,
मुझे जला दिया because cooking is one thing that I can't do. बर्तन मांजना is my favorite. If I could, I would do
Okay.
that. But
Okay.
okay.
So let's take
Yeah,
a
I
few
saw
more
your travel
questions.
pictures last time, and I saw your wifey. She's very beautiful. Give my regards to her.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fine
Thank
pictures
you.
those were.
Thank you. Neil Sain is saying, Varda ma'am, आपका zodiac sign क्या है?
Guess. You can't guess. वापस से तुमको ये करना पड़ेगा. I'm a Cancerian.
Okay, you're a Cancerian. Oh, okay, interesting.
6th of July
Cancerian.
with Sylvester Stallone.
Oh, okay. Cancerians, they have a very good sense of humor. Okay, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so okay, how many more questions do you want?
No.
I'll work accordingly.
I know आपके अभी बर्तन मांजने का टाइम हो गया है, तो I won't keep you too long.
मेरा एक और चैट है एक्चुअली, मेरा एक और चैट है, समझ सिर्फ उसका तोड़ना फिकर है. मेरे कमिटमेंट है, अदरवाइज
Oh,
आई
you're
डोंट
going to
माइंड
Draco
टेकिंग.
treat, no?
Yes, yes.
Next is say hi to her from me.
I'll do that. Okay, I'll take one last question. Please
Vasim,
sign.
glowing.
Okay, the Being Tejan is saying, please sign some other actor for Jurwa 3. Every Jurwa film should have a different actor. मजा आएगा अलग अलग एक्टर्स को कॉमेडी करते देखते.
अच्छा. ऐसे सवालों को ना से बोलना चाहिए. अच्छा. Because ये लफड़े वाले हैं.
Thank you very much. Lovely talking to you.
Thank
And
you,
all sensitive. And you have a good time. And it's very inspiring the way the sort of positivity that you have. And we hope that this thing is sorted very soon. And all of us will be back to movies.
Yes.
That
Inshallah.
will become a bigger
Yes,
theater.
we will. Thank you so much for having me. Really, it was so
Yeah, thank you
fun
very much.
again chatting with you. Thanks, yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Take care.